Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can actually sign in with your Face ID on Roblox for your mobile device. Now it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is of course grab your mobile device and from out here go into the Roblox application. Now once the Roblox application loads up, make sure to first sign in to your account where you want to enable the Face ID on. Now here go to the bottom right corner where more appears, and from out there we want to scroll down till you see the settings options right here. Now from out here what you want to do, you want to hop onto the account information in the top, and from out here wait till the account information opens up, and there we scroll down till you see the login methods. Now here you can add a passkey. Now the passkey, you have a multiple options to choose from. I'm going to show you. Simply press continue. Use your password. From here the verify will happen. Simply press verify, and from out here, as you can see, we can enable the Face ID on our Roblox account. Now simply press continue. It will scan my Face ID. And from out here, the passkey has created and we can now safely use the Face ID on our Roblox account. It's easy as that. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.